Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, was recently on the Tim Ferriss podcast, and he was talking about the future of Ethereum, and he said something very, very interesting about the future of Ethereum scaling, and that Ethereum may be scaling in a massive way. We're talking like 100x scaling here, much sooner than most people expect. In this video, I'll explain how this is going to happen and why the heck it matters. My name's Lark. I'm a cryptocurrency investor with years of experience making consistent profits in this market, and every single day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, make sure you subscribe to the channel and catch all of my videos. Okay, so let's dig into this topic. So what exactly did Vitalik Buterin say? Well, he said that roll-ups are coming soon, and that by the time we need any more scaling for Ethereum, then by that point we should have sharding. It will have already been around for a long time by that point, and that the thing to remember is that if you have roll-ups and not sharding, you still have 100x factor scaling. You still have the ability of the blockchain to go somewhere between 1,000 and 4,000 transactions per second. Of course, paraphrasing what he said there, but this is incredibly big. This is essentially sending a big ultimatum to all the so-called Ethereum killers that Ethereum is about to come back with a vengeance in terms of scalability. Ethereum can and will scale, and it will happen before ETH 2.0 is complete. I mean, ETH 2.0, network sharding, all that stuff's really important, but we're going to get scaling much sooner. Remember, we may not see ETH 2.0 being finished for like another year, but with optimism and roll-up technology, Ethereum is likely going to scale within the next few weeks. Yes, it's true. Might sound crazy, but this is what's happening. But just what the heck are roll-ups, and particularly talking about optimism anyway? Well, quite simply, it is an Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution, which will allow for 100x scalability for Ethereum. Optimism is using roll-up technology. Currently, exchanges like Loopring use roll-ups, but they're using a simpler version that only allows for basic transactions in and out of their layer 2 environment. Useful without a doubt, but you still need to pay that high on-chain transaction when entering and exiting from roll-ups. Optimism is the evolution of roll-up technology. It's going to be a total game changer for Ethereum scaling. This is because Optimism is an application that exists inside of Ethereum that executes transactions more efficiently than Ethereum does itself. It will make Ethereum-based transactions cheaper, smarter, and faster. This is accomplished by compressing data on-chain and then pushing the computation for things like signature verification or contract execution off-chain. This is not a side chain. Optimism actually lives inside of Ethereum as a series of smart contracts capable of executing Ethereum transactions. This is some big stuff here. Optimism will allow you to create and to interact with Ethereum-based smart contracts using the exact same wallet that you're already familiar with. So you'll be able to use your MetaMask or your Trust wallet or whatever to be able to interact with Optimism. This means that you will be able to use applications, and that applications will have an easy tool for scaling Ethereum. I'm sure you know all about the crazy high fees on Ethereum right now. It's been pretty crazy recently. Optimism, roll-up technology, particularly via Optimism, is going to solve it. Major Ethereum applications like Uniswap and MakerDAO are going to be using this technology to scale their applications. I mean, is it any coincidence that Uniswap v3 rumors are starting to swirl around at the exact time that Optimism is about to come out? I don't think so. This will mean that a swap on Uniswap will soon cost pennies in gas fees instead of like 50 fricking bucks. And that using something like MakerDAO, one of the top DeFi platforms, will cost, maybe $1 instead of a few $100s. The fact that major Ethereum DeFi protocols are already announcing support for Optimism means that this is going to be the layer 2 scaling solution that truly makes a big impact for regular users. This is going to be like moving Ethereum from dial-up to broadband speeds in terms of an analogy of how the blockchain is going to work moving forward. I can't wait for this personally. Combine in this with existing layer 2 scaling solutions like Polygon, and Ethereum is going to be totally unstoppable. By the way, gotta mention, Polygon has been going insane today. These last few days have been really crazy, in particular with that Coinbase listing hype going on. It's now listed on Coinbase, so pretty awesome. Got up over 50 cents today. Now, Polygon uses a different scaling technique to Optimism currently. It uses Plasma, which is a child chain using Ethereum for trust and arbitration, but Polygon is also currently working on deploying roll-up technology as well. It is the future of Ethereum scaling. I have no doubt that Polygon will remain a major Ethereum ecosystem infrastructure player as Ethereum itself continues to evolve. And then, thinking forward about a year from now, when Ethereum 2.0 does actually go live in 2022, what are we talking about then? Because we're still going to have Optimism, we're still going to have Polygon, right? We're still going to have all the other modifications that have happened, including then ETH 2.0 is sharding. We're talking about 100,000 transactions per second on Ethereum. This is truly going to be the world computer, the ultimate settlement layer of the internet. And I know that it can be frustrating right now using Ethereum, paying those high fees, but I keep trying to look around the corner to see what is coming next for Ethereum. And what I see is very, very exciting. I see an Ethereum that is about to scale by 100x when most of the market doesn't even really realize this is about to happen. Very exciting times to be an Ethereum holder. Anyway, that's just my takeaway for the day. If you like this video, then you should also check out my weekly investor report called Wealth Mastery. It's an exclusive research report for investors with the latest tips, info, and insights to help you grow your wealth. Just click on the link down below me here in the description to get signed up or to simply learn more about becoming a member today. Your question for today: do you believe that Ethereum will scale in time, or do you think that this is just too little, too late, and that a competitor chain is going to take over and steal Ethereum's thunder? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.